Hey everybody, what I have here today is a computer acquisition that I mentioned on my community section of YouTube. Well, to make a long story short, about a week ago I was doing a computer repair for somebody, and when I went to bring them their computer, they had a computer that they no longer wanted. And they had no use for it, so I decided to take it off their hands. And what's so interesting about this is a 2009 Dell Optiplex 780. Got your typical optical drive with CD, DVD rewritable. And this one's got the Intel Core 2 Duo. It had a 250 gigabyte hard drive, but I replaced it with a 500 gigabyte to test when I was testing it because the hard drive is dead. So let me open this unit up. It's hard doing it with one hand, so I'll give you a little tour of the inside. It cleaned up pretty nice though. But I am going to replace the 4 gigabytes of RAM with 8 gigabytes. Because it takes DDR3 RAM. I know it uses the DDR3 low profile RAM. And here's the back of the I/O. Nothing exciting, but your typical ports. Your that's basically 6 USB ports, an Ethernet, and you got this line-in microphone jack, your audio jack, VGA, serial, eSATA. I don't know what this port is, and you got your your parallel port. This computer probably had a later version of Windows because they don't have a Windows 7 COA. So apparently, I'm definitely going to be reloading Windows 7 back onto this computer. Even though I got the cover all upside down while trying to focus the camera. But it does have a provision if you want to put like a card reader or a floppy drive, but it wouldn't make no sense. They even gave me this keyboard to go that came, which is the original Dell keyboard. So yeah, once I get this computer all fixed up, then I'll definitely have a video of it booting up and running. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.